After graduating from my MSc, I ended up doing a PhD in economics at the Erasmus School of Economics in Rotterdam, Netherlands. The B track of core modules in the first part of the course really set me up to go into research. It's been an excellent stepping stone into getting into a PhD.
So after finishing my MSc at Warwick, straight after, I went into a graduate scheme with the NHS, where the theme of the graduate scheme is to do health analysis, and right now the rotation that I'm in is a data science team.
After graduating from the MSc in economics, I've decided to pursue research a little more because Warwick, specifically the Department of Economics, instilled that love for and curiosity for research in me again.
In terms of career advancement, I think the MSc is highly valuable. It really sets you up to go into industry or eventually academia. The professors are on the cutting edge of research, so you will be learning from people doing actual research, publishing in the top journals.
The most valuable thing I gained from this course would probably be a little more confidence in all of the complicated stats heavy stuff and being able to just challenge myself academically a bit more.
In terms of employability, the department has offered a lot of help in order to prepare for eventual interviews and decide on which positions to apply for. I've been very lucky to have certain professors assist me in preparing application materials and thinking about my research proposal, applying for a PhD. So the data science module really prepares students to understand and know how to work with large data sets and how to apply cutting-edge machine learning algorithms for making predictions, thinking about questions in general, and understanding how we can use data to think about problems and answer questions.
I would say the careers fair that they hold, especially the one that's focused on economics, was really interesting and useful because there were a lot of Warwick grads who were in our position at some point, and we saw them go into the different careers, and you'd walk through by the stalls and you'd kind of see new stuff crop up and you'd go, oh, that's something I could do with my degree. So it was really nice to kind of see into the future and plan.
I actually attended an event at the Shard in London, and it was about women in leadership positions, and it was really insightful because I was able to network with a lot of women my age that are looking to enter the market, and it was very inspirational to see other leaders that have graduated from Warwick and are doing phenomenally.